Now, all the ladies in Central University, I want your love. Yes, I want to love you. Thank you very much. Cut. Here in the rest of the time, I say cut to them. How you guys doing? Why are you got? Are you hungry? What's your good talk? Tonga. Huh? Now, people have a different version of this song. It's quite interesting. They say jollof. I want jollof. That's a very hungry person, I tell you what. I'm right here at Central University, LOL, ladies and gentlemen. LMAO. LMFAO. I'm chilling here, TTGY. Hey, Central University girls, you like shorthand. You like shorthand. Small thing, QQY. TT. A friend of mine was chatting with Central girl. Listen, if you don't like us, tell us you don't like us. Don't be chatting shorthand. Tell her, what's up, baby? How you doing? AF. They say, oh, sweetie, what's the meaning of AF? I'm fine. They say, so what's your plan for the day? NM. They say, NM, nanomika, isn't nanomika? What does NM? Oh, nothing much. He was chatting and chatting, so can I get to hang out with you? NR. He said, oh, what's the meaning of that? Not really. He said, okay, then he sent her FJFKKB. So then you replied, what's the meaning of FJFKKB? Is this something you say? Yes, it means Fauci means your passing back. So the boys, when the ladies are flexing, you send them FJFKKB. What does it mean? Fauci means your passing back. And if you're talking about shorthand, don't try a Ghan girl. Do you have some Ghans here? Oh, nice one. Do you know what I love about Ghan girls? The way they mention WhatsApp. Where? WhatsApp in moment. Where? I download the WhatsApp. And then when she gets the message, where? WhatsApp here. So I sent her hi. You know, where now? Hi, you remember hi. I was chatting and then I said LOL. So I said, everybody knows LOL, laugh out loud. Then she called me, hey, make girl on a corner. I said, oh, there's no girl. No, I'm not send me LOL. I said, LOL, laugh out like the Omale. LOL again, laugh out loud. Because laugh at LAUGH, Omale. LOL, lemon. Don't I make it go lemon? Hey, you guys have your own ministry. This girl started defining shorthand for me. I remember one time I was like, Charlie, what's up? Come visit me, make a fool you small. Then she sent IDK. What does it mean? I don't know. So I called her out. I said, can't you for my day? You say you don't know. I said, no, I didn't say I don't know. I said, but you sent me IDK. He said, oh, wait, IDK, I don't know. IDK, I do now tomorrow. He got to a point. I told him, I'm tired of such shorthand. I am tired. I'm tired. Seriously. So I told her, listen, if we are going to chat, let's chat in full. I don't want any shorthand. He was like, oh, Bovi don't feel only in this common last one. I said, don't tell me when they're only the last one. In the MMS. I said, really? MMS? That's multimedia message. In Shabu body. MMS, I mean, tell my shop. True. And these days, what is it they call selfie? Hey! Selfie. I like, if you're not beautiful, don't take a selfie. And what that thing the ladies do to their lips? It looks like you have constipation. Please don't. It makes you look like a sheep. Do you know the sheep? When it smells a female sheep urine, what does it do? It looks like. Why I'm watching Instagram. If you want to know how beautiful a lady is, don't go to her Instagram page. Those pictures are edited. No. Why would you go there? Don't go to a Facebook profile picture. No, it's a lie. The real beauty is the picture she was tagged in. That is where you see the real beauty. Normally you see a profile picture. When you check the ones that are tagged, don't are the real pictures. Then you see her real beauty. Show some love if you know what I'm talking about. But I think this selfie didn't really get down well with the Zongo boys because as far as we know, selfie is take a picture of yourself. I passed through the Zongo, DKB, comedy, DKB, come. Then he gave his phone to his brother. You know, tell me the DKB selfie. Why do people do this when they want to take a picture? Why? Everywhere, like this. Why? Are you a crowd? Why? Even after events, people wait for me to take pictures. They wait for the picture. Why? What's the meaning of this? What's that? Dude, who? Yes, that comes to mind. Ladies, if you don't know the lyrics of the song, don't sing it. Chris Brown, Tiger, and Macaw, whatever. It is deuces. One girl came. Hey, Charlie, I was not downloading you with my they said they won't phone, no. They said, oh, hey, Chris Breezy. I said, Lucy. Yeah, Lucy. One girl in Pentagon, this is true story. She was listening to Run This Town. Hey, oh my God. Hey, Kenya West is so good. I said, hey, Burundi South. Not Kenya West, Burundi South. But I'm very happy how Central University you've welcomed me today. Today I really feel like a star. We had a show there. Oh yeah, show some love. And you guys are really supporting Ghanaian comedy. The last time we had a show here, I came. I landed. See, no welcome. Nobody was even there to welcome me. I was just standing at the car park like an anywhere boy. And that's when the Central University girls judged me. Last year, I really cried. You see, as a usual celebrity, you know, when they see you, like, do it like the Americans. Oh my God, it's DKB. Is that how you look? Oh my God, you're so adorable. These Central University girls were checking my weight. Oh, yeah, no, DKB. Where's his head? Oh, celebrity. And listen, I know you people know. You eye us head to toe when you go home. Oh my God, I'm meant to give you upright. He looks so cute and hot. You see the way he was walking. Charlie, DKB, you're hot. Why? Show us some love. When I came, nobody mind me. They didn't do the show in a theater. They did it in the kitchen. Your, how do you call it? Your cafeteria. Because I know, Charlie, comedy show, what's up? You know, and they come. We go upstairs, I was like, I've been here, they do the show. It's over here, there. I opened the door. Some boy, they lashed some bamboo and some open soup. So now when I open the door, tell me what's up. You're sure they're here. Go be what? You see talking about what's up. Oh! My show is in the kitchen. Then he finished, what killed me was, he finished, he washed his hands, belched on me and left. Tell you, he will be there. Why? Say that, yo, that day you guys killed my swag. And what really helped me emotionally was the washroom was not far. So I decided to go and take a quick pee. Hey, my boys for common me wrong. The moment I got to the washroom, I said, see, they walk around with all that swag, you know, say, Charlie, I just go chop some lunch, you know. Hey, got a photo, hard one. This one Ghana city, Gary 3 cities. When the woman said the beast looks like this, I hate the powers. I hate the powers, please. So he's walking around with all that swag. When you stand in someone, what you see, you can die. Hey, the boy was in the washroom. And you know, boys, why do we like receiving calls when we are doing it? It's so funny. It was in the and then the call came. Charlie, what's up? Wait, I need a washroom. I just cut my ass quick one. China girl, she for go chop her more. You are going to chop the girl that's smelly ass. And you know, when he came out, when he saw me, he wanted to play cool. Because you know, normally in Ghana, when you shit and you come out and we see you, it's very embarrassing. You know that. But abroad, it's okay. Here, it is. When he saw me, Charlie, some PBO, I don't know, Charlie, just a P. I said, hey, P where you do, which kind of P that? You didn't P ice block. True. And I feel great. But you see, the thing is, they are telling us to purchase made in Ghana goods. I would love to purchase made in Ghana. But there are some things I'm glad it is not made in Ghana. Oh yes. Like Google. What if Google was a made in Ghana item? You will never find any answer. How will you find an answer? Who killed Gaddafi? Enter. Google response. It'll be your problem. How do you apply for American visa? Enter. Response. Stay your country inside. You fiancé. Google, African Google, you can never find any answer. But I believe that Facebook, Michael Zuckerberg is a Ghanaian. Because Facebook gossips, Ghanaians gossip. No, imagine, Facebook, when you go to your notification, what does it say? Hey, your girl tells somebody stay in Midsummer. They say, ah, really? And you click, oh, you tell them, yeah, 3:45. This will be the boy name. That's Facebook. You will tell wherever your girl has been. But one thing I'm glad is not made in Ghana is the networks. What if the mobile network was made in Ghana? Like you don't have credit and you call. What does the woman say? You have no call credit. Very decent. But sometimes the woman should feel more quick. Like when you don't have credit, you call once. She tell you have no call credit. You call twice. You have no call credit. You call tell me. Don't you hear something like you have no call credit? Let me tell you. Please return. The other time I heard it. Please return. I heard it. What if the mobile network was made in Ghana and Buko is the one at the response? Your credit is finished and you call. Let me tell you, a useless man is a man who doesn't have credit. Don't call again. What if the network response was in Hausa and then you call, you don't have credit, you call first time. You buy only credit. You almost say they keep it very short. You call again, you want me to see the credit. You call third one, third, fourth, fifth. Now he starts speaking to you. You know, catch it say only credit. I love my catch it 4 times. So you go to your one, you know, maybe to one and many niggas, but I just can't have only do what I do. It's true. People tell us, you see, this commercial I see on TV is so funny. Don't get tested for HIV. It's so simple. Know your status. To me, how can you go for a death sentence to be pronounced? Let me tell you, we prefer to be HIV neutral. You know HIV neutral. You are not positive. You don't know if you are negative. So you just stay between. So you use symptoms. So like when you start sweating profusely and you start getting Charlie, I get the insult. After 3 days you go, oh Charlie, I be negative. Yeah. We diagnose ourselves. The reason why Ghanaians don't go for HIV tests is because of the nurses and those people. Why? Normally HIV they say counseling. That's the dreadest thing ever. How are you supposed to counsel me? Have you had sex in the last time? Then you have multiple partners. Do you use condom? They will make you enter the console. HIV test. Have you had sex before? Janine. People like this, they show their HIV test. Because the nurse is like, have you had sex before? Yes, madam. Did you use protection? No. Do you have multiple sex partners? If you like I get it. Foolish boy, that's the one I'm talking about. True. I had this slight illness. I went to the Legon hospital. I reported back. I was like, oh, madam, so. Why they're so hasty to pronounce? Oh, it's HIV. Symptoms of HIV. Nurse, Patrick running the HIV test. Everything, the full gloves, everybody. So everybody was looking at me like the HIV man. When you the test, why? So the nurse come on. Why the HIV test? The moment she saw me in my head, hey, and me too, no. She didn't say that you're not in the blah. And then you can still live for a little while. It's true. Ghanaians, why? Be patient for us. See, these days the kids in primary school, GSS, they think they are chilling. Our time was the school, man. If you know you were balling in primary school at GSS, make some noise, man. Yeah. What do you know about Chimpe? You play Chimpe game. So now before you eat your food, you turn into a rebel. And I'm a soldier. Not people can have their food here and they'll be screaming the whole school. No, come back, the food is gone. Foolish boy. Who remembers this one? I was playing Bonimao. Yeah, you know, listen, in every class, we had that class, Papa. Everybody was 11 years, 10 years, 11. He's just in the back, 17 years. We were playing, nobody was taking it to him. Well, you mean to know what Bonimao? Oh, like, now he was, authorized. You too. And he was choosing only the big kids. He will chop your food when he didn't buy bread like 5,000 small one. They're going out. True. They were the class, but did you have it? Who remembers this one? Zanzama. For me, I never played Zanzama. Tell me the reason why my head is too big and I can't dodge. Like when Zanzama time comes, everybody wants to play Zanzama. I want to play Zanzama with you. I said I don't want to play. Hey, before you sit, you must say Zanzama. When you stand, Zanzama. What kind of duty is that? And if you sit and don't say Zanzama from nowhere, your own friend, bosom friend, will fix his knuckles. And then look at you, Zanzama. And your head is on fire. What kind of foolish game is this? We're playing Zanzama. Our headmistress came to warn us against Zanzama. Right in her face, the class prefect got up, sat down from nowhere. Oh my God! It's a human being's head. What is wrong with you? Now the class prefect, who is supposed to be wailing, or just the madam is normal. I'll do him some. Don't worry, I'll do him some. Who actually know? Today they say PS2, PS3. That's nonsense. We had Piting. We had Alokoto. And we had some skipping rope game. You play how many wives? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then how many rounds? 1, 2. Those that we used to add school fees. So you see, school fees 1, 2. How many wives? 1, 2, 3. How many rounds? Even as at 12 years, we knew what is sex rounds. Hey, I say you, don't joke with our generation. And in our school, we had that guy who is the most serious student of all. Like the teacher goes like, today should we write tests? Oh yes, sir, we have to write tests. We are students. We have to work. Who remembers those foolish people? What? Do we have some here? Strong boys. Instead of looking fly to class, you see them with their bow tie and shoe. Charlie, we don't go lecture so. And we always had that guy in the class who never knew anything. He don't know anything. Hey, there are one here. And then we had that one girl who is the class slut. Yeah, we had one. Everybody had one. Yeah, you see like that. And some of you girls here were classless. Normally, yeah, boys, help me out. Those were the girls that, like, when the teacher is asleep, they hold like one nipple be like that. Oh, stop it. Say is here. Say is watching. Stop it. The next thing you know, she's looking at you like that. Yeah, boys, tell me if I'm lying. I said stop it. Okay, stop. Tell me, stop me if I lie. Am I lying? Yes. And you had one guy in class, he was always erect. Why? Why do we have those? Charlie, also, why you want that? I remember this thing about that boy. And then they were telling us, PPAG, if you feel for go outside and play. Who would want to play with a guy with a erected thing? Who? You are playing football and the guy is running after you. Defender, boys, would you like to face a defender like this? Tell me where the body, Who will face him?